Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove wrinkles and fine lines from neck and get baby looking skin naturally without wrinkles and fine lines with all natural ingredients. With very simple ingredients at home, you can achieve the best results simply and very fast without doing a lot of ingredients and without having a lot of struggle to go through. This super effective remedy works 100% in removing wrinkles and fine lines, especially from neck area. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of wheat flour, then we need to add on it a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, then we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half like so, and add fresh lemon juice, now mix the ingredients very well together like so. Once we get a cream paste, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your neck and leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour to dry out completely, and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. This super effective remedy works 100% in removing wrinkles and fine lines naturally without any side effects with all natural ingredients. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.